He lives like an hour and 15 minutes, hour and a half north of here, and he is the first one to arrive every single day, and he's not the first one to leave every day. I'm kind of an early bird. Love to get to school early when it's quiet and get my thoughts all ready for the day. Good morning, Owen. Hi, Abigail. Thank you, Liam. First hand I saw. All right, excellent job. I really appreciate, guys, how you're listening to your classmates. Super job. Delaney, what'd your team say?
Mr. Gaines is just incredibly warm. My daughter has said that he's never raised his voice, and that every time that there's a correction in class, it just comes from a very warm, caring point of view.
He gives us different strategies to try without telling us the answers so we can figure it out on our own. He is always pretty funny and throws jokes into every subject that we do.
I see so many great things kids here at Cottonwood do. They just are always amazing me with what they're thinking and what they do and who they are and the things that they say and do and the things they come up with, whether it's like they're wanting to pick up trash on the playground to help with pollution or things like that. I just really believe that the future is there with them. There are a lot of really kind people in this school, right? Yeah. So you guys are getting ready to take some state